Homestead Skills. I just wanted to do a little bit of an update on what I've been finding in the canning supply issue. I decided to do a little more reconnaissance and go back to a couple of Canadian Tire stores and one Walmart, and I'm finding that product is being replenished very slowly, but I'm finding product on the shelves. I believe, and I will be posting some pictures to show that. Walmart was the one that had the least product, but that could mean that somebody came up and snapped whatever stock they got in. You know, we don't know. I believe that they are getting stock in slowly but surely. And one of the Canadian Tires that I went to had, and I've seen that before at that store, all kinds of gem lids, and I'm like, what are gem lids? And I did some research, and apparently they are the mid-size in between the regular mouth and the wide mouth, and apparently they were fairly common amongst the Amish, and I've never seen them anywhere but in that particular store, and they have got tons of them. I know of nobody who uses gem lids, but apparently Bernard or Jardin wants to continue to look after that market, and so they're still supplying them. They must have had about 4 or 5 shelves or displays of these lids, so those people certainly aren't hurting for lids. And I don't know of any Amish or Mennonites in the area, so unusual that that store would have them, but that's fine. Maybe they ship it out to them, I don't know. I did find another Canadian Tire that had boxes of pint jars, and I believe somewhere in the range of 20 cases. I'll probably be able to verify that with the pictures, how many cases they actually had. But yeah, they were just the pint jars, and they were the Golden Harvest, which is their more economical brand name that they sell. Once again, I believe that it's manufactured by the same company. They also had lids, and both the Canadian Tire stores I visited had lids. One of them had maybe 20 to 30 boxes of lids. The other one had probably somewhere in the same range. Even Walmart, who had the least amount of stock, had some lids. And I found some boxes that had been opened and torn apart, but they still had some sealed and fresh. So I'm just suggesting, don't believe all the horror stories that you're hearing that you will not be able to get stock for 6 months. That's an absolute fallacy. That's not the way companies operate. There's certainly no reason in the world for a company to sit on stock when they have customers chomping at the bit to buy their product. Don't be taken advantage of by people who want to charge lots of money for these products. I mean, even at the Canadian Tire, the boxes were $4 or $5, and that's their normal price. That's why I don't buy from there. I can get them cheaper elsewhere. Now, the other thing that I did see was a whole bunch of boxes of the little tiny half the jam jar, not a half pint, but a quarter pint size, and yeah, not too many people buy those. I mean, they're pretty unique, and there's really not too much you can put in those. And the other thing that I did notice is that a lot of product is in new packaging. So this is not old stock. This is new stock that's coming out, and it's the shelves are being replenished with this new stock, new packaging. So yes, it's not it's not that they're not shipping. They're shipping when they can, when they have supplies, and I suspect that all their major distributors of this product will probably get limited quantities. If they got, they probably get half, a quarter of whatever it is that they may have placed on order. They'll probably just get a little bit. The big chains like like Canadian Tire and Walmart certainly are going to, they're getting bits and pieces here and there, and not all stores have them, have product. But I think if you check every couple of days, you might find that you may have product. And I suspect within about a month we shall see product available. I don't think it's going to be even December. I think within the next month you'll start to see, dribs and drabs. I'm seeing it already. So, and it's only been a week or two. Now, once again, not large quantities, not everything, but where the shelves were absolutely bare, they're not anymore. So take heart, enjoy, and you can freeze, you can dehydrate. I'm actually dehydrating all kinds of apple chips right now and really enjoying those. They're my candy. So anyway, have a great day. Hope to see you soon, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you on the next one.